Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn how to round off numbers till n decimal places in MATLAB. MATLAB usually has functions such as round, ceil, floor for the purpose of rounding off numbers, but when it comes to rounding a number till n decimal places, we usually face some problems. We'll teach you a very simple method of rounding off a number till n decimal places. Let's say that we have a variable a with the following value. Now we want to round it off till 4 decimal places. What we will do here is that we will call that new number as b, and then we will use the following command. We multiply a with 10 raised to the power the n value that we want to round till, and that is, in our case, that is 4, all divided by 10 raised to power the nth decimal place that we want to round off, that is again 4. Let's see how it works. And you can see here our new number has been rounded off till the 4th decimal place. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much.